c'è la meraviglia di madre natura. Gira, gira.
Salve a tutti e benvenuti al Cannolo Report. Sono Arianna Attinasi e vi parlo da
Hello and welcome to the Cannolo Report. I am Arianna Attinasi and I'm speaking to you from Geraci Siculo, one of the most beautiful villages in Sicily, in the Madonia Mountains, at 1100 meters high. Here I founded a publishing house for the eagerness not to leave my land and for the desire to tell my Sicily to those who lived there and to those who visited. I still remember the fairy tales my grandmothers told me around the Conga, and that's why my publishing house publishes so many fairy tales. But we also deal with many other stories of Sicily. I am also a pianist and a singer, songwriter, and I often go around with the piano to present the fairy tales and other stories of my authors.
Di uomini e di donne altrimenti dimenticate.
Let's take a nice walk to discover Sicily. This is Distretto di Messina that separates Sicily from Italy in less than 3 kilometers. This is Giudecca, the ancient Jewish quarter of Ortigia. Sicily is full of these places. Here we are in the capital of Sicily, Palermo. This is one of the many places where you can consume typical Palermo street food. Panino cameusa, veal interior, and panino and panelle, chickpea flour, the two masters. What do you have inside there, an antique watch?
Wait, I will show you.
Oh no, s'affronta. S'affronta l'orologio, s'affronta lei.
It doesn't want to come out. It's embarrassed. It is possible to follow until October 31st, 2021 online Opera dei Pupi Show Sicilian Puppets series. Just click on www.facebook.com/museoantonio.pasqualino.
Yesterday, the 19th of February, Arturo Di Monica, vittoriese artista, scultura, known around the world, most famously for known as the Bull of Wall Street, passed away. We'd like to send our condolences. Obviously, he's an inspirational artist whom I believe was getting very close to me because I'm in Monica, not too far from Victoria, and unfortunately he passed yesterday.
For any information, do not hesitate to contact our cultural department. We are available to all the world for anyone who desires Sicily. This is our mission. On March 8, 1669, Etna erupts. From this crater, the lava reached the sea of the city of Catania, which you see at the bottom. The Ursino Castle, which was located on an isolette at sea, was surrounded by lava and today is on the mainland. On March 10, 2019, the plane on which Sebastiano Tusa, world-renowned archaeologist, crashed. a man to whom Sicily owes so much. Sebastiano was a member of our cultural department. A big and emotional hug, Grace Sebastiano. On March 10, 1656, the sculptor Giacomo Serpotta was born, passed down in history for his marvelous stuccos that can be admired in different parts of Sicily. In this exceptional footage from the Luce Institute of 1936, here are the so-called Maccalube of Aragon, still very popular today. A soil of volcanic origin with these magma ponds that puff up from all sides. The most ancient descriptions of the area are due to Plato and Aristotle. In Roman times, the mud gushing from the ground was used for rheumatic and beauty treatments. Ancient folk medicine, Russania. It is recommended to wrap the baby in a red silk cloth. It is also advisable to make the child drink a good lentil broth and boiled wine. The farmer's advice. In March, wheat is still sown, especially in the mountains. Potatoes, beans, melons, peas, broad beans, pumpkins, and lentils are planted. In this beautiful photo from 1951, an elderly woman and a little girl buy water from the winter horse. The grandmother is in black. Forever in mourning. The girl wears a jar that she may already be able to carry on her head all the way home.
Monti sono, col ventre ancora pieno di sorgenti, alti.
Mountains are, with the wind still full of spring. They are high and can talk. This poem, by my father, is dedicated to these places, the Madonie Mountains. Behind me, the ruins of the castle of Geraci Siculo. It belonged to the Ventimiglia, a noble Sicilian family. Geraci is the balcony of Sicily. From here we see Etna and the Aeolian Islands. They are places where two elements of creativity reign, silence and time. Silence is always the beginning and the end of anything. In between is the time that we have to fill in some way. These places have inspired me, through my publishing house, to fill time by telling stories of men and women otherwise forgotten.
Di qualsiasi storia, di qualsiasi musica.
Ciao a tutti, I would like to introduce two new members in our cultural department, Charles Geno Marsala and Lena Prima, the daughter of the renowned jazz singer Lou Prima. Welcome.
Next week in Sicily, weather forecast with some rain and mainly clear. Coastal temperatures average high 14, average low 8. The sun rises around 7 a.m. and sets around 5:30 p.m. And let's see what this land and this sea blessed by the sun and wealth offers us. The fruit vendor has just picked up zucchinis, pears, broccoli, eggplants, peppers, cauliflowers, apples, artichokes, magnificent Sicilian tomatoes, both for salads and for making the sauce, bunches of grapes, oranges, and mandarins. The fish vendor displays fresh fish from the Mediterranean Sea. Swordfish at 25 euros per kilo, mussels, squid, clams, the typical pink shrimp, mullets, amberjacks, and lots of bluefish at around 15 euros per kilo. And it also is time for cuttlefish, with black king that makes one of the most popular pastas in Sicily. And let's come to the feast in Sicily, an island where you never miss an opportunity to leave the houses and celebrate something or someone, and to eat and to observe and enjoy a true insight into Sicilian culture and customs. In this period, unfortunately, not much is celebrated. We are waiting for better times that will apparently come soon.
Dopo aver attraversato i vicoli e i sentieri di montagna, ritorno sempre al mio pianoforte a scrivere le canzoni.
This is my latest record, and my places are all in here. I look forward to seeing you in Geraci, to visit this beautiful part of Sicily, and also my publishing house. Goodbye from Marianna and the Cannolo Report.
Arrivederci da Arianna e dal Cannolo Report.